turn heads forever. So tonight I wanna show you all.
Okay, hello y'all. Okay, thank you for coming back to my channel. This was like a really quick kind of tutorial. It really was no thought behind it. I only used one palette. The reason why I try to do the makeup real quick because I wanted to do a plus size haul, which will be uploaded today as well. I just want to use one palette, which is the 35G Bronze Gold palette by Morphe. So I just used a couple colors in here. It's something real simple. I use this color, and I use that one, and I use that one, and I use that one. So I just used this one palette. This was really quick. It wasn't nothing really to talk about. And y'all already see my foundation routine that I always do. This time I use Makeup Revolution, the number 15. I think I'm 15. Yeah, I'm 15. Yeah, here we go. I'm sorry. So this is the one I used. 15. And some of my my shots, I'm a little darker than darker than the different frames or whatever. I am on chemo, so it does darken my skin. It makes the palm of my hands really dark. It makes my pigment. It messes with the pigment of my skin. So I be dark. Darker than what I really am. So but this is the tutorial. I want you guys to stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy and come back to my channel. Sub, like, and comment. Right.
Ooh, don't we look good together? Yeah. There's a reason why they watch all night long. Oh, yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I wanna show you off. When I'm walking with you, watch the whole room change. Cause baby, that's what you do. See, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence. So blame it on your measurements. Shutting shit down on sight. That's right. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, we out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you don't need no designer and no makeup either, to be honest. Cause you be on your natural fly shit. You don't need it, you could even put your sweats on for me, yeah. Cause I got the plug, I'll make it call for green. Oh, I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't ya, no. Just say you will come through and chill, oh, chill. Just say you will come through and chill, oh. Said I wanna love all night, singing, yeah. Said I wanna love all night, yeah. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Dripping in finesse with my baby. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. Yeah, you know it. Said I wanna love all night, singing. Yeah, cause you got it going on, yeah. Said I wanna love all night, alright, yeah. Cause you got it going on, yeah. You know it. Ooh, don't we look good together? Yeah. There's a reason why they watch all night long. Oh, with you. Watch the whole room change, 'cause baby, that's what you do.